Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to justify text in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with text and table. Now I align this text table to justify. At first I have to select this all text to drag on my mouse. Now go to format menu. Now you can see here are align and indent. Just press it and you can see here are justified alignment. Now just simply click this justify alignment. Now click outside of this table. Now you can see I justify text in Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.